Okay, you lovely people, here we go. This is the last one of this batch, and this is part 52 of Build Your Own Batmobile Tumbler. Part 52. There we go. So, we're going to be working on the fireproof bulkhead. And not too difficult. And then, once completed, we'll have that part there. That'll be interesting. And then the first one of the next batch will be working on the fireproof bulkhead and gas cylinders. So let's have a look at the parts we get with this magazine. Number 52 on the box. So we've got some ADP screws, some CP screws, and we've got some metal rods, and they have different lengths, I believe. Let's have a look. Got a slightly shorter one. I believe it's those two, and those are the two longer ones. Yep, so we keep those separate. And then in this wrapper we have the fireproof bulkhead, which is made of plastic, ironically. Anyway, let's just crack on with the build. Right, here we go. This should be fairly easy. So, you get the frame in that orientation and the base in that orientation. What you've got to do is pop it over like that. Boom. Then you get the longer ones of these, and you pop those in with the strike plate at the back, and they just get screwed in with one of these ADP screws. So we'll get on with that. So we get one like that. Then we just have to repeat it. So yeah, we've got these two. They go up and down, but they only go one way. You can't flip them the other way because of those back plates. Then we get the smaller ones and we attach those. And that's the last one in. So they all go down and they all come up. This still moves up and down a bit. Then we bring in this. We bring in the tail. Now what I've done with this, that's one of the clips come off. I think I'll need to glue those in. What I've done with this was, because I dropped it once and the lens fell out, so I put some PVA glue in there, just a film of it, and glued it in, and that gives it a more secure positioning. So we've got this here, and it can only go in one way from the other side. Well, It needs to be screwed in from the other side, and that's with some CP screws. So we get those ready. And have to feed that cable through the hole, like so. And that will get screwed in from this side. And it goes through the bigger holes. Securing the frame to the back plate also while doing this manoeuvre. So it's just 4 of those screws. Obviously not over tightening them, but tightening them nonetheless. Making sure they're all perfect. And then we've got that. And I do believe somebody was saying the wheels will attach to these rods, the rear wheels. So that's looking rather nice. Anyway, I'll stop waffling. Hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.